Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another episode of Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing monomials, answering the question, what is the quotient of 63x raised to 3y and 7xy? Okay, so first thing that we need to do is to translate this statement into algebraic form. So the algebraic form of this statement will be 63x raised to 3y will be our dividend and our 7xy will be our divisor. So it will be written in this form. 63x raised to 3y divided by 7xy. Wherein we can rewrite this into a fraction form since we're dealing with dividing. So let's rewrite this into fraction form so it is easier to simplify our monomials. So 63x raised to 3y will be our numerator. So 63x raised to 3y will be our numerator. And our denominator will be our divisor, which is 7xy. And from there, we will simplify this fraction by dividing the coefficient by the coefficient, variables by the variable, and applying the laws of exponent, which is the quotient rule. Okay? So let's start first with the coefficient. So 63 divided by 7. So 63 divided by 7 is 9. Okay, and then let's proceed to the variable x cubed divided by x. So again, we copy the variable x and then subtract the exponent. So 3 minus the exponent of x in our denominator, which is 1. So 3 minus 1. Okay? And then last one. So let's proceed to the variable y. So we have here y divided by y. A number divided to itself is going to be equal to 1. It's like dividing 6 by 6, which will be equal to 1. Or 7 divided by 7, it is equal to 1. Y divided by y is equal to 1. Okay, then let's simplify. 9 times 1 is 9. X raised to 3 minus 1 will be x raised to 2. So our quotient of these two monomials will be 9x squared. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.